Make sure that you check out codingfora.com today. At codingfora.com you will find free courses in engineering like statistics, programming like Android, Java, C++ and C#, web development like HTML, MySQL and PHP, and of course operating systems like Ubuntu and Windows. At codingfora.com we have a great community of members that are eager to answer any of your coding related or engineering related questions. Codingfora.com also has a great archive of downloads with code, scripts and web designs. And of course, all is free. So make sure you visit codingfora.com today. But I want to download something called VMware. It enables me to run Linux inside Windows, so I won't affect my operating system. So I'll just go to VMware and select my country is of course not here, so isn't there English here? Yeah, USA. Okay, so I will just go to downloads and I want the VMware player. Workstation player. So I will just download it. I have like special system where I put all my programs in folders. Okay, so now I have VMware, so I will just run it, install it, next, I agree, next, don't care, next, next, install. So the type of Linux we are going to install, its name is CentOS. It's my favorite Linux. So just Google CentOS and we'll go for the DVD ISO and just pick one, so you get the ISO. Then just download it. So CentOS is downloading. Okay, so now we're installing VMware Player. And this is the icon, and now we have installed it. Okay, so this is how it looks when you start VMware Player. So just click on create a new virtual machine and find the installer image. The installer image is an ISO file and it's called CentOS 7 something.iso. So we'll just click next. Your full name, username, password. Yeah, always think about the password. Don't want it to be too hard, because you have to enter it a lot. Next. Okay, so this is the place where the machine will be, so it can just be here. Click next. Disk size and hardware. So just click next, 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 next. And then it asks you for downloading a tool, and of course you want a tool. So you just download it. And the tool helps you to use the keyboard and all of these things inside Linux. So the keyboard and thing you plug into your Windows computer will also appear automatically in Linux. So things like an USB disk. So it's a lot of things, just click OK on them. So now we see that something is happening. And it's actually Linux that's happening. It's really cool. So let me just tell you a bit about the player. This is you are now running this as a guest inside the player. So to go for full screen, just click on this one. And yeah, what we want to do is to install Linux now on the virtual machine player. So we just have to wait until the right menus are here. Here are some of them. So let's change our date. And I'm in Oslo. 1919. And that's okay. My keyboard is Norwegian. And I have Norwegian Windows. So this can just be deleted. Done. And language, I want to use English. And this is the software. So let's see if there are something cool here. Yeah. So this is what we want. We want a GNOME desktop. So the GNOME desktop are the things you need for running a normal computer. GNOME desktop is almost like Windows desktop. And you can also go for the development and creative desktop to get more things, but I really don't think we need any of this. It's if you want to, because we can install things later. So let's hook off the backup client. GNOME applications, internet applications. Office Suite, we don't need that. You can install these things later. So development tools and security tools. Okay, done. The destination, don't care. Network, not connected. This is strange because I thought we were connected. So okay, so I just press it on now, and now we are connected. So it's very important to be connected. And for the security profile, we are running it through the VMware, so it doesn't really matter. We will do things through Windows anyway. So 1922 now, and I think this will take maybe 10-20 minutes. Okay, 1941, and we got this initial setup, and it says something about license. So just click I accept the license, and then done. Network and hostname. So this is important that you put on real hostname here. So So I will call my server for Whitney, then apply, then done. User, and the password, then done. And I'll make myself an administrator, it's important. Okay, then there's finish. So the computer will now restart. And we are ready to go. So on the welcome screen we will just choose English, and on the typing I want Norwegian win keys, and I don't want to give any online account, so I'll skip this step. And I'm ready now to use it. So here is my desktop, blah blah blah. Okay, so you can see that you have all of the cool things that you need. So next episode we will set up the Java developing system, so you can get into developing for Java applications. So at the end I just want to show you my website. The URL is lifeboat.com/en for English. And I have a community here, so feel free to come and ask me any questions you want, and I will try to answer them.